Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 5th, 2024. Tomorrow, the first Friday of the month, we have a speed test. Yes, a speed test. Don't forget that tomorrow, without comments, without instructions. Anyway, let me continue. I've already solved 3 puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. And the last puzzle will be the JigsawSudoku number 9220. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. And the publisher has indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Let me scan. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? Let me see for triple boxes. No triple. Oh, here we have a triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a5. 4 or a5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 and more. This box should be a 4. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here quadra box, there quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. We have a quadra box here. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2. In that case, it's a 3. Alright, do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, yeah. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, these two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and 4. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Yeah. These 3 boxes. Oh, we already have a 2 there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this triple box, supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 3, this box can be a 5, so the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, overlook this, so this can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this course area for the number 4. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay. Then this box can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area is supposed to be there, is connected with that box, should be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2, we have a double 2 there, and these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box, so it's a 1 and a 4. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 3 and 5. Then, well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. I've marked this box with 3 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1, 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 4 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 1. And let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. We go up. Okay. 1, 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Yeah, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So if eliminated here, the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then, let me see. 1, 4, 2. Well, this box can be a 5, so 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Can be a 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. Alright, 1 and a 3. How about here then? The difficult part. 1, 4. 2. Come on. Overlook this one. 1 and a 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And last 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 4 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shape area for the number 1. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. And the final number in this area for number 3. Finish. Nope. 1 and 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now it's finished in 13 minutes. We solve it again. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be a 0 stars. And faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, first Friday of the month, a speed test. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.